In this video I will show you how to create PDF without any software easily in 2023. See, I create this multiple photos into a one PDF file. Select all photos and press right click on your mouse and click print. After click print, now you select Microsoft Print to PDF or Adobe PDF. After doing this, click print, then save your file. See, PDF file created successfully and working well. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoyed video, please like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.